Ashton. Nice meeting you today. Making this video just to show you kind of the things that I do and work on with the different, website, Google Business Profile, and ads. So just look in here, and I'll just go over this website that you wanted an audit on and kind of show you what I might recommend. Obviously, we'd probably be talking about something different with another website, but just wanted to show you this one anyways. So for starters, like on your website, you have a lot of cool pictures, which is great, but you do want to have more content on your website. That's one thing Google loves. You want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words throughout your homepage, and throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what that means to me is a location and a service, because if you're ranking for a national keyword like videographer, you might not be able to service those people because they might be across the country, or they might be, in a different state, things like that. So the other thing you could do is if you save your imagery correctly, the alternate text, instead of it saying Polestar 2.35, whatever, that could say videographer Utah or something like that, so that you can kind of see what it is actually showing. So the other thing is, this is a third-party tool I use, Ahrefs. The DR and UR is the domain. The domain rating and UR is the domain strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0 and 4 due to referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. It looks like you're being indexed for 3 keywords, and you're getting less than 1 person to your website each month, which, if you were trying to get people to your website, that's one thing, but your website acts like a digital business card at that point. And so looking at some of the keywords that I was looking for, or the ones that you're indexed for, it's your name, age, wife, and name again. So those I wouldn't really call buyer intent, because these are the people that already know you or know of you. So like ones for you would be like Utah videographer or Layton videographer, or things like that. So I just did videographer in Syracuse. I should have said Utah because Syracuse, New York is way bigger than this, but that's okay. It says results for like Utah. These top ones are going to be your Google ads. A great way to get a good click-through rate on here is to make sure to have as much as the keyword inside of the ad as possible. So this says video production, so it doesn't say videographer, which is fine. This one does. And let's see, videographers. So, it says local videographer, but you never know really what local means. So having the actual city or county is really beneficial. So that's how you get a good click-through rate. And then to get a good conversion rate, you would want a click-to-call right up top, a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then any promotions that you might be running like that. And then the background imagery should be relevant to what your search term was. So if you're doing videography, maybe have some videos in the background as opposed to just a still image. But for a better example, if you're doing an auto glass replacement, you would want a windshield being replaced as opposed to just a car. You know what I mean? So that's how you have a good conversion rate once they land onto your landing page. And then down here is the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here. I don't know the exact name of your company, but at the same time, unless it's Utah Headshots, in which case that's a different story altogether. But photographer, wedding service, so they don't have videographers right here. But to be found here, you want to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. Getting reviews is a great way to rank your Google Business Profile, and I have a cool cheat to kind of get good reviews only. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and directories like that online is really helpful, because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. Robert Wood Photography. And then being in the Google Business Profile and the ads, about 60% of people stop right there. And it looks like Needle Media is one of the top ranking ones for videographer Syracuse. Looking at their website, like I said, hey, cool video on the outside. Can't really see that, which is kind of lame, but whatever. But yeah, so this is their website, so they have a little bit more content on here. if you wanted to be ranking for this on your website, I would recommend more content, those authoritative backlinks and citations, and then also those buyer intent keywords on your website. So looking at some of their keywords, like videographer, they're in New York though, so it is what it is. But like near me, I wouldn't really say is a great one to go after, because that one it doesn't have an actual location. Yes, you could be ranking for it, but out of 10 searches across the United States per month, you're probably not going to be near that one search. So, but like wedding photographer Syracuse, New York, or video photographers near me, not near me, sorry, I thought I saw one. Videographer Syracuse, New York. Those are both what I call buyer intent, because it has the service and location in the same area. And to kind of show you just for Utah, I just did Utah very, very broad. So if you wanted to go like Layton or Ogden or wherever, there's a lot of searches for Utah wedding videographer, Utah videography, Utah videographers, wedding. So like there's a lot of searches for those, about 300 a month. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of theirs. And when they go to your website, about a certain percentage of those will turn into a call or form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer. So Ashton, I look forward to talking with you tomorrow. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.